Oh, I didn't know what it was. It was an American MRI or... We're getting an MRI. Dodgy hip.
Which is, by the way, in the wrong order, sentence-wise. Ready-to-eat meals does just fine.
This is when they're like out in the fields, they're like behind enemy lines.
Oh, so we're soldiers today. Damn.
These are military
food.
rations.
The smell already.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
First of all, love the packaging. Very mash.
Early.
Serious soldier vibes going on
Yeah.
here, isn't there?
It's real G.I. Joe shit.
Yeah. Look at that. Warfighter recommended. Warfighter tested. Warfighter approved.
Rib-shaped. Rib-shaped. It's, first of all, I beg to differ. It is not rib-shaped.
I try not to have meat in my diet, but I'm still going to enjoy the brown goop that the army gives people.
Like, you'd whack that between two burger buns and it'd be grand.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I just can't picture soldiers with a knife and fork doing this. They're just picking up going, "Huh!
Yeah.
Defense force."
Oh, that was squidgy.
It's quite nice.
It's not bad.
It's probably better than some dinners I've had for meal prep.
Like, it's grand. Like, I appreciate for what it is. I mean, listen, they are there to serve the people that serve.
For whatever it is, like it's, I'd eat it.
But anyway, I want to try the peanut butter.
How's that?
Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. That is honestly one of the worst things I've ever
If I'm in the field, am I going to be like, where's my condiments? I need a bit of hot sauce. Pew, pew. Can't, no thank you, not today.
You've got your army gear on, you've got your gun, and then you've your barbecue sauce on this side, and
You'll
you're
be
ready at
sorted.
any time to go.
Well, again, it's
Mashed.
preserved. It's preserved to have it weeks, months from now.
Yeah.
After,
Okay.
like, it's apocalypse food.
I would take a menu from a takeaway with me to war
That's not.
and order food to
How
be delivered
it
to the
works.
nearest.
Why is it brown packaging as well? I've got so many questions.
Camouflage! Camouflage! It blends
You don't want the enemy to see your food.
Oh, it's camouflage. I'm camouflage.
Well, boy, we're a couple of homegrown army people, and we're excited to have our next meal.
It's the same meal. What are you talking about?
Well, what are we looking at here?
Menu
Christine?
15, Mexican style chicken stew.
Now I will say yes that this does have chicken in it and you don't eat it. Part of this pack did come with some diced pears.
Yes!
So
Love a pear!
That is going to be delicious.
This is to live a life as a chicken and then
Have
end
this
up
at the
as
end of
an
it.
MRE. Not even a word, just letters.
We'll need an MRI after this, Jen.
Yeah.
It smells great.
Yeah,
It
it
looks
smells quite
great.
nice. Yeah, really nice.
Oh my god, I like this.
Does being at war affect your taste buds or something? Because like this is flavoursome.
10 times better than the pork patty.
Like, do they get dessert? You know, do they at least go through this to at least then get a congealed pudding or something?
This has so much flavors in it. So much flavors. Very thick. Very rich in flavor. Oh!
Iman will be reviewing food professionally starting next week in your local paper. Thick, very thick, flavor, thick, 5 out of 5.
With a bit of salt. This is lovely. This is really nice.
I think
Oh my god, this is like something I'd make in my crock pot.
Cheese-filled pretzels. Chocolate hazelnut cocoa beverage powder. There's a mouthful.
Do you want to do a little bit of pear?
Bro, I'm eating.
Okay, sorry.
So
Oh,
rude.
sorry, sir.
like this is it is really yummy.
you would eat this on the field
I
of
will
battle.
eat this on the field, off the field. Where we going? Eat this every day.
Oh, every day. Every day he'd have it.
Well, on to the next one.
Joining the defence is going all in with this now.
You've converted her.
Maybe I'll appreciate it more.
Cheese tortellini and a tomato sauce. Yes! Yes! I get to enjoy this meal, and you have to share it with me. You don't get to lord over your animal eating products. Thank you, tortellini au fromage, sauce et tomate.
This is from Italy, isn't it?
It's not like tortellini's hard to get right? But this looks and smells like a Ryanair meal, and I bet you it'll be tastier. I bet you.
Camouflage is in with the packaging on the shirt.
Where is she gone?
Yeah.
Where? She's just a floating head.
Topless.
I feel like it's just pasta with sauce.
Yeah, it is pasta with sauce.
Then why are you making it complicated? Saying tortellini, it's pasta with sauce. Boom, easy.
It is easy, you know, very good point. These are just microwave meals.
It's just like tomato mush.
That is when you're getting a ready meal on the way home because you're too lazy to cook dinner.
Yeah.
And you whack that in the microwave and you just eat it to shut your hunger pangs up.
Yeah.
It's very mushy. Like pasta is very mushy, and you're like, I don't want, like.
You're a real beggars can be choosers sort of person.
You're right, like.
It's not that bad.
No.
Yeah.
Again,
They are
this
unbelievably hard crackers.
yeah.
Like more like
But
crack
sure.
you across the face.
It must be very hard being a soldier. You're away from your family. There's a chain of command. Depending where you are on it, it can be quite difficult. And then for us to sit here and go, could use more garlic. This seems quite privileged to me. So I want to I think the food is quite good so far.
This tastes like tomato mush, but the fruit punch is nice.
Although I think every bite that you hear this, or you have of this, you can hear an Italian woman crying.
Yeah.
No, I like it. I would say, even if I was not in the army, far away from loved ones, I would still enjoy this as my meal. I would say my compliments to the commander in chef.
Do you reckon when it's like dinner time and they all get their packs, they're like, oh no, it's menu 12 today, I hate menu 12.
Yeah, probably.
I'm gonna be one of those picky soldiers who's like Goldilocks at
Yeah.
the fucking camp, who's like, this one is too horrible.
Sorry. Can I get salt, please?
Okay, what?
Salt.
Salt.
Yeah, bit of salt.
The point of this is to not go, Garçon, my tortellini au fromage sauce tomate. These little pinch of sea salt to it. That's really not. This is really about what you have when you don't have any other options.
Yeah.
And you keep wanting more options.
Oh, yeah.
Asian style beef strips with vegetables. Great. Oh, look, there's a water chestnut in there.
That smells like a Chinese. If I got this in the Chinese, I'd be happy.
I know it has beef in it, but for you, Damon, I also got you some fried rice.
Yes!
I like stir fries and this, so like, and I see actual vegetables.
Yeah.
Solid whole pieces of food, not just mush.
So Iman was complaining. He said he just wanted some Chinese food. He said if he was in the field, he'd want a takeaway menu, and he'd call in and get some Chinese food.
Yeah.
And he's been given that.
It's really nice.
Oh, it's very salty, that sauce.
It's just salt.
Ooh.
Asian style salt.
Oh my god. This is really good.
This is definitely the best.
Yeah, you're going at it. Yeah.
I think it's just a reflex because this is the dish I would get in a Chinese.
Yeah.
Stir fried. So I'm seeing all the stir fried veg and I'm like, yeah, this is, my brain's like, you're used to this.
How are the vegetables? You're in a battlefield. You're on who knows what sort of mission. You need to try the vegetables. You can't be picky here. You need every calorie.
It's got water chestnuts in it.
But I really like the veg. I feel like I'm eating a takeaway now.
You don't like vegetables, no?
You're like a child.
It's just so much better than you would expect. Like, you would look forward to this in your day.
It's a tough life being a soldier, full of hardship and sacrifice. And if this is what you're eating, I think fair play, good stuff. You're doing great.
Well, this needs white rice.
Okay.
Not that flavored rice.
Okay, again.
This has been fun. It's like Lego for food.
We've tried a few different meals. Now some of us had the more meaty options. I went with the sides. I also got to have a little bit of a dessert. Everything I tried was quite nice, and I think fair play to anyone who actually was the one who had to come up with that system. It was very enjoyable.
I appreciate how easy it is to make food when you don't have a heating element. The fact that you have to put water in a bag to make your food hot is a bit mad.
I'd like to see what Irish Defence Force meals would be like though, because it's going to be that stereotypical. It's going to be potatoes, dehydrated Guinness probably in a sachet, just add water and it becomes a pint. That'd be ideal. We should make that.
Yeah, yeah.
Good job to anyone that has to eat that in a war. Like, that's, like, I respect you. You know, I respect you wholeheartedly because that is brave to be able to eat all that.
That's the real bravery of war. Eating the food.
Attend hut, subscribe to the channel, and attention, hit the bell. Alright, ready? And march to the rest of the videos, and march to the rest of the videos. And I'm gonna stop because I'm making an absolute idiot of myself.
Just click it.